It is important to protect Florida's land and nature preserves from overdevelopment. In March 2022, I visited Florida.
It's like a dinosaur.
Florida is a popular tourist destination, and rightfully so. It is a very beautiful state. Florida is home to an ever-increasing number of humans who must learn to coexist with the animals and environment in its fragile ecosystem. The Atlantic Flyway ecosystem runs through the state, a north-south highway for migratory birds. An environment to observe many of these birds are found in two man-made wetland preserves near Delray Beach, Wakota-Hatchie Wetlands and Green Cay Wetlands. These wetlands are especially lively during the fall and spring migrations. They are near the edge of the Everglades habitat and thus close enough to see the variety of birds who frequent the region.
אין לי בעיה. זה גם אופציה שאתה רוצה עכשיו להוסיף את החלבון. 50 קלוריות שווה גם כמובן, הבנו?
Luxury developments are being built along Florida's beaches, which is harmful to plant and animal life and increase the flooding in these areas that is getting worse over time. Mangroves are being cut down to make room for these new buildings and other amenities. The beach, natural environments, and preserves all need protection from the human growth in the state and from global warming. I was fortunate to explore some of Florida and hope that the increased attention to the importance of preserving the beauty of its nature will continue well into the future.